Recording.
Well, good morning and welcome, YouTubers. Hey, thanks for stopping in. Hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, it's a beautiful, beautiful June day. Actually, it's the first day of summer. Riding season is already kicked off. We're out here enjoying our morning ride. Summer heat and riding a motorcycle. It goes together, but it doesn't. Make sure you stay hydrated. I've been riding for about 30 years. I have several friends that have gone down because they don't stay hydrated. You must drink lots of fluids. Best thing is to get a cup holder and stay drinking while you're riding, actually. Or get a camel pack and use it to carry water with you, or a high electrolyte. Not getting pop or anything else, because you really need the water. Because believe it or not, as you go down the road, you're sweating, and at least you're feeling cool from the wind and the evaporation, but you're losing moisture. And if your lips are chapped, you're about a quart low. Hey, I spent months in the desert. There's a lot of vets out there spend a lot of time in the deserts. Well, I'll tell you, it's not the desert doesn't care. It's not the desert's hard. It just doesn't care. So in this kind of weather, you need to drink lots of fluids. Cover your arms and stuff. A mesh coat works wonders, especially on the highway. That sun beating down, them UV rays heats your body up and makes you hot. Believe it or not, you wear a mesh coat. One, it helps keep you cooler because it slows the airflow a little bit, but it still lets it go through the coat, which makes you feel cooler and cools you down. Plus, it's to stopping those direct rays of the sun from heating your skin up, and therefore you don't get sunburned. Imagine that. Those are all just normal tips you should do when riding long distance or riding all day in the sun. Taking secondaries in the eastern seaboard are not usually an issue. You still get hot stuff, but like right now, it's cloudy, it's early in the morning. Unless the sun's directly over you on the road, usually catching shady spots here and there as you ride down the road, which is always great. But you're still going to get exposed to that sun, so you still want to stay relatively covered. If not, if anything, put some sunblock on. You need some 50 SPF to cover your arms, or you'll get really, really crispy. I tan pretty good, so it doesn't take me long. But some people don't know. I had a buddy, he's a redhead. Yeah, he stays out in the sun for 10 minutes. He looks like a cherry. So take those things in consideration of your own body. Take care of yourself. All right, well, that's my summertime tip. Thought I'd drop that out there. So I'm riding in this morning. Had a beautiful time last week with Pam. There's a bunch of videos popping out from that. Guys are making their own little videos, which is awesome. Don't forget, Pam is next month down at the back of the Dragon. I'll go down and see Mr. G165. And hey, ride safe, stay cool, and don't get sunburned. I'm BtheRiderPa. You have a great day. I'm out.